Hi, this is Dr. Sarita Shetty. I'm a prosthodontist. I'm working as general dentist at Axon Clinic DSO branch. I have over 12 years of experience. Here in our clinic, we do all kind of dental treatments for all age groups. So today, I would like to talk to you about emergency dental procedures where patient comes to the clinic with pain. In that case, most of the time patient will have to go through a root canal procedure, or sometimes you'll have to extract the tooth. So I would like to tell you, before ending up in pain situation and then a long procedures to retain the teeth, if you visit your dentist often, we can check if you have a small cavities or any tartar buildups, or we can do the filling as early as possible, because once the pain starts, there will be infection in your tooth, and that will have to go for root canal treatment, and that is a long procedure. And after root canal treatment, you will have to also crown your teeth. That is again expensive procedure. Also, if you see some tartar buildup around your teeth, which might not be causing you any problem, but if you leave it for a long time, slowly it will inflame your gums, and then it will start resorbing your bone. So if you leave it for longer, the teeth will become loose. Then to restore the bone, it's a long procedure. Instead, you can visit your dentist as early as possible and get a normal scaling and procedure which will save your teeth. Hence, I would advise you all, visit your dentist often, at least every 6 months, get a cleaning done, get a normal fillings done. Also, you can take care of your teeth at home by brushing twice daily and flossing your teeth, because the brush will not reach between your teeth, hence flossing. Also, you can do some warm water with salt gargle, because that will help your gums to heal. So if you see any small decay in your teeth, like a black discoloration or some food impaction happening around the tooth, you can visit our clinic, we can check it, and we can assure you that you will not end up with the emergency procedures.